Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hydroponic system is probably one of the most innovative ways to cultivate fresh produce right in your home. This system eliminates the need for soil, offering a cleaner and more efficient method for growing lettuce. With hydroponics, you can control the environment, ensuring optimal growth conditions for your plants, leading to faster harvests and healthier greens all year round. Get ready to dive into the world of soilless gardening and discover how easy it is to grow your own lettuce. Number 5. Ahopegarden 10 Pods Hydroponics Indoor Garden. Start your indoor garden with this hydroponic system. It includes a water reservoir, LED grow light, and a circulation system to keep water fresh. It allows plants to grow faster and healthier. Simply add seeds, water, and nutrients. Watch the plants thrive in a controlled environment. This system makes growing herbs and vegetables easy. This kit includes 10 growing stations. The see-through window lets you monitor the water level. You'll know exactly when to add more water. Choose between 2 light modes, vegetables or flowers and fruit. The full-spectrum lamps simulate natural sunlight. Select the best mode for what you are growing. The grow light adjusts as plants grow, up to 15.3 inches. It has a 16-hour on, 8-hour off timer. There's not much you need to do to get plants growing. This indoor garden is perfect for families. It fits on your kitchen counter. You can grow vegetables year-round with it. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like? This system offers 10 pods, perfect for a small indoor garden. It also features a water level window, making it easy to monitor. Furthermore, it has 2 growing modes, allowing you to switch between vegetables and fruits. If you are looking for a compact and versatile system to grow a variety of plants, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to follow instructions and little assembly required. This system is a great way to grow herbs or lettuce or just about any smaller garden plant. It's well made and once set up it's watch for germination. It includes fertilizer too. Easy to use and like how the light goes up as it grows, plus the 2 different lights, veg and flowers. The pump is very quiet and had a nice view of how much water. The design of the extra hole is a nice addition to keep adding water as the plants grow. It has a solid design and, when filled properly with water, has a bit of weight. It is easy to assemble with very easy to understand instructions, with a booklet, on how to use the garden and how to grow various herbs and veggies. It also comes with a little kit with potting soil cones, caps to keep in humidity, label stickers, tongs, and more. The light and water pump are on timers and the height of the lamp is adjustable to grow up with your plants. The water pump is barely a whisper. Number 4. Hydroponics Growing System Kit, Upgraded Version. This hydroponics system is built to last. The sturdy structure is easy to move around, and the thick legs with silicone foot covers provide excellent support. It even includes power strip hooks for convenience. The system features a 7W pump resistant to dry burning and a timer for water circulation. The pump quickly draws water, with a default setting of 5 minutes every 30 minutes, but you can adjust it to fit your needs. Hydroponics is a nutrient-dense method that fosters robust plant growth. It doubles the yield while using fewer resources, less water, and less space. It saves time and requires no arable land, ensuring a clean planting area. The system uses food-grade PVC pipes with 2.5-inch diameter and 1.4-inch planting holes. It provides ample space for various plants like lettuce, celery, and bell peppers. It's ideal for balconies, gardens, and both indoor and outdoor spaces. You can observe the growth of your vegetables at any time. From germination to seedling, and finally ripening, you can record each process. It's a great way to learn and grow healthy vegetables with your family. The kit includes a hydroponics shelf, a hammer, hoses, a water pump, a timer, an adapter, planting baskets, sponges, tweezers, leak sealing tape, and instructions. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive 108 plant sites, maximizing your growing potential. It features an upgraded time circulation system for optimal plant health. Moreover, it utilizes food-grade PVC pipes, ensuring safety. If you have a larger space and want to grow a significant amount of produce, this system is ideal for you. What people say. I recommend getting 6 LED grow light that are 4 feet long and climbing attachment so you can add the lights on top row. After fully assembling the product, go back with the hammer that is provided and hammer every joints. Most leaks are caused by loose joints. The hydroponic is able to produce enough lettuces to feed 3 people on a daily basis. Number 3. eSuperegrow 7L Smart Hydroponics Garden Kit. Introducing the eSuperegrow Hydroponic System. This smart garden utilizes a professional design for strong growth and superior harvest. It features a double-layer structure with a built-in water pump for increased water circulation and more oxygen, helping plants thrive. This updated indoor garden kit is smarter than ever. It offers 3 lighting timer settings and 2 brightness settings to meet different plant needs. The self-watering pump has 2 modes for different growth stages and temperatures, ensuring optimal conditions. Unlike other small kits, this 7L growing system provides ample space for various plants and heights. It includes 3 planter sections and a max 32-inch grow stand with a trellis to support tall plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. This hydroponic kit is easy to assemble and use, making it a perfect gift. It's a fun and educational way to grow fresh food at home, even in your kitchen. Watch the plants sprout, thrive, and produce, then enjoy the harvest. eSuperegrow prioritizes quality and safety. The grow basin and holder are made of food-grade ABS, and the grow light uses die-cast aluminum for heat dissipation. The submersible pumps are high quality and quiet, ensuring a long lifespan for the system. What we like. This system incorporates smart technology for ease of use and optimal growth. It offers extendable height to accommodate various plant sizes. Moreover, it's made with safe and durable materials. If you like the convenience of smart features and want to grow taller plants, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This unit is built very sturdy with high technology. The design is sleek and modern, and it is so beautiful that it fits anywhere in the house, from the countertop, for shorter plants, or on the floor, for climbing vines such as cucumbers, and the unit comes with supporting stakes. I planted the cucumber seeds a few weeks ago and now all of them are growing nicely. Can't wait to see the plant mature and fruit. There is no other unit that I can find in the market, except in Amazon, that looks so cool as this one. If you are into hydroponics, this is the one to try out for sure. I do like this system a bit more than my Aerogardens. For one, the plant itself looks a bit more healthy, and I don't have to add water to it very frequently, maybe once every 1.5 to 2 months at this point. The trellis is super convenient since the vines can grow up, while with my Aerogardens they just grow out and across the desk, floor, etc. since there's nothing for them to grab onto. It's an irrigation table style system that works quite well without much worry. It's simple with an indicator for water and power. You can choose to start your seeds in the unit, or you can start them before placing them in the containers provided. The built-in trellis is a plus. I can now grow cucumbers and zucchini aside from my tomato plants. I don't think I could have asked for a simpler setup that costs me way less than actually building one. Number 2. eSuperegrow Smart Hydroponic Garden Kit, 6200 LC. Introducing the eSuperegrow Smart Hydroponic Gardening System. This system is professionally designed for strong growth and superior harvests. It features a double-layer structure and a built-in water pump to enhance water circulation and oxygen levels, promoting faster and better plant growth. This updated indoor garden kit is smarter than ever. It offers 3 lighting timer settings and 2 brightness settings to cater to different plant needs. It also has 2 self-watering pump modes, ensuring optimal conditions for various growth stages and temperatures. Unlike other small kits, this system can accommodate a variety of plants and heights. It includes 2 large planter sections and a grow stand with a trellis to support taller plants. It's perfect for herbs, vegetables, and even fruiting plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. This hydroponic growing kit is easy to assemble and use, making it a great choice for any gardener. It's a fun and convenient way to grow fresh food at home, and it makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Watch as the plants sprout, thrive, and produce a bountiful harvest. eSuperegrow prioritizes quality and safety. The grow basin and holder are made of food-grade ABS, ensuring they are corrosion-resistant and non-toxic. The grow light is made of die-cast aluminum with excellent heat dissipation, and the submersible pumps are high quality and quiet. What we like. This system also features a smart design for efficient growth. It offers extendable height, allowing for a variety of plants. Additionally, it uses safe and durable materials. If you are looking for a smart and adaptable system, consider this one. What people say. The adjustable grow light and smart timer options are really convenient, and I love being able to switch the brightness depending on the plant stage. The trellis is a great addition. It's been perfect for my cherry tomatoes and peppers. The kit comes with everything except for the water and seeds. The water pump turns on/off automatically. The growing LED light is very bright. One good feature is that the light panel has 3 mode, always on, 16 hours on, and 12 hours on. Number 1. Aerospring Standard Outdoor Hydroponic Growing System. This system allows you to grow a variety of plants, from leafy greens to fruits and flowers. It uses low-pressure aeroponics for faster growth and better nutrient absorption. It's designed for easy assembly and use, making it perfect for any gardener. The system is engineered for maximum yield, allowing plants to thrive. The spacing is designed for large plants, and the root zone encourages optimal growth. You'll be amazed at what this can produce. This system is designed with the gardener in mind, offering easy access and maintenance. The large water reservoir requires less frequent refills, and the components are easy to clean. It's a user-friendly system. It includes a high-quality pump with a long warranty and a smart Wi-Fi timer for automation. The system is manufactured to strict quality standards. This ensures reliability and longevity. You'll have access to a supportive community with growing tips and guides. The company is dedicated to helping you grow your own food. They want to share their knowledge and experience with you. The system comes with everything you need to get started, including a water reservoir, pump, timer, nutrients, and grow cups. It also includes a warranty for peace of mind. Get ready to grow. What we like. This system is designed for outdoor use, allowing you to grow a large amount of plants. It features a high-yield design for maximum productivity. Furthermore, it includes a smart Wi-Fi timer for automated irrigation. If you have an outdoor space and want a high-capacity, automated system, consider this. What people say. Easy to set up, easy to maintain, vegetables grow very quick, and looks amazing outside. I am now growing 27 fresh veggies. I have harvested lettuce so far, and within a few more weeks I will have cucumbers, peppers, and more, etc. This is the cleanest and neatest hydroponics system I've used. It's easier than a few of the others I have tried, and I would buy another one if I had the space. It's easy to clean out water tank and replace the plant holders. Looks really nice, and the poo's wide cover protects the plants from dust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.